Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our tutorial on replacing the compatible cable for your Thermomix TM21. This process is straightforward, but it requires attention to detail and the right tools. Let's get started. First, ensure you have the following tools on hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of wire cutters. These tools will help you safely access and replace the cable. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM21 from the power outlet to prevent any electrical hazards. Safety is our top priority. Next, you'll want to remove the base of the appliance. Using your Phillips screwdriver, locate and remove the screws on the bottom of the Thermomix. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base off. You may notice some dust and debris inside the unit. It's a good idea to clean this area with a soft cloth before proceeding. Remember, a clean appliance runs better. Now, locate the old cable. It should be connected to the main circuit board. Carefully detach the cable from the circuit board by unscrewing any screws or unclipping any connectors that hold it in place. If you find this step challenging, don't hesitate to reach out for help. We offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can be very helpful if you're unsure. After removing the old cable, take your new compatible cable and prepare it for installation. Make sure it matches the specifications of the original cable. If you don't have the tools or are uncomfortable doing this yourself, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home, allowing you to have your appliance serviced without any hassle. Now, connect the new cable to the circuit board. Ensure that it's securely attached, as a loose connection can lead to further issues. Once connected, carefully tuck the cable back into the casing, ensuring it's not pinched or damaged. Before reassembling, double-check that everything is clean and that no tools or debris are left inside the appliance. This step is crucial for the longevity of your Thermomix. Now, place the base back onto the Thermomix. Align it properly and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them gently but firmly to avoid stripping the screws. If you're unsure about the condition of your appliance, don't forget that we offer a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. Finally, plug your Thermomix TM21 back into the power outlet. Test the new cable by turning on the appliance to ensure everything is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, feel free to contact us for assistance. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the compatible cable on your Thermomix TM21. This maintenance can greatly enhance the appliance's performance and extend its lifespan. Thank you for following along, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.